How to fix Shazam app not recognizing music. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, go to the Play Store and check for updates for the Shazam app. Tap on the search bar and type Shazam. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to your home screen. Also check if your microphone is working properly. Now keep holding the Shazam app. Tap on App Info. Now tap on Force Stop. Click on Force Stop. Go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Cache. Now go back, tap on Permissions. Now select Microphone and make sure you have given the access to the microphone. Now restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.